Hey everyone! You've probably heard about GME stock at least once in the last year, right? The incredible rise, the wild fluctuations, the Reddit community, and of course, the famous short squeeze that had Wall Street on edge. But what's really going on with GME stock today? In this video, we'll break down the journey of GME stock, its place in the meme stock phenomenon, and what could happen next. So stay tuned because, by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of why GME continues to grab headlines and how you can approach this stock in 2025. Let's dive right in. Background of GME stock. Let's start with a quick recap. GME, or GameStop, is a video game retailer that became infamous for its massive stock price surge back in early 2021. It all started when retail investors on Reddit's Wall Street Bets forum decided to buy out GME stock, triggering what became one of the most famous short squeezes in history. In just a few weeks, GameStop share price went from about $20 to nearly $500 per share. The rally was driven by a mix of social media momentum, a huge short interest, and the desire to stick it to institutional investors. But after the peak, the stock faced a significant drop. Now, fast forward to 2025. While the story of the short squeeze may have faded from the headlines, GME stock is still very much in the spotlight. So, what's happening now with GME stock? Let's dive into that, current situation and market trends. As of 2025, GameStop has tried to evolve its business model. The company has shifted its focus towards digital sales, NFTs, and blockchain technology. This was a clear attempt to capitalize on emerging trends. However, despite these changes, GME stock still remains a volatile asset, attracting traders and investors alike. So, what's the current sentiment around GME? Well, there are two main groups. The first group believes that GameStop is on the verge of becoming a new tech company, one that can reinvent itself and leverage its position in the digital world. But the second group sees GME stock as a gamble. They consider it a meme stock with little to no intrinsic value based on traditional business metrics. Is GME stock worth investing in right now? The meme stock phenomenon and GME's role now. Let's talk about the meme stock phenomenon. The rise of GME stock wasn't just about GameStop. It was a symbol of something much bigger. It represented a shift in how individual investors interact with the stock market. Social media platforms like Reddit became a powerful force, driving market behavior in ways that traditional investors couldn't ignore. This has led to a broader discussion about retail investors' power. But while GME was the poster child of the meme stock movement, it wasn't the only stock that saw these wild price swings. Other companies like AMC, BlackBerry, and Nokia also experienced similar surges, but GME remains the most iconic one.